This girl is certified. Can you feel the vibes that are on? Cause girl, what is you talking about? What is you talking about? Can you feel the vibes? Hey mademoiselle, it's Starlene Adelaide and Madame Noir, and if it's your first time tuning in, why don't you want to join the family? Join the family, girl. Today we are going to be doing an unboxing. Everything that I got. Okay, are we ready? And this is what the hat looks like. Oh, she's so cute. Oh, she's cute. But I think it's cute. Dun, 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 dun. It's giving graduation. That's what it's giving. I wonder what these shoes are, y'all. Ooh, I got a cute boot. I remember I got a cute boot. She's cute. Yeah, these are my size. I can't wait to wear them. I think I'm gonna take some pictures in these ones. I'm gonna get some pictures in these ones, girl. You feel me? Yeah. The next thing, cute heel. I can't wait to wear these. At first I gotta get my toes done though. But this is like a tiger print shoe, if you could see it closely. A tiger print kind of shoe. You see that? Oh yeah, that's cute. That's a cute tiger print. You see her? Yeah, she a cute shoe. She a cute shoe. She cute. I rock with her. This is in my size too. I don't like, a lot of the times I like to go a size up in heels because sometimes it just don't be comfortable. But I think this is, I think these are a 10, but they look like a 9. But they're cute. Oh, this is its own big box. We like to see it. Oh, this is a cute thumbnail. Let's see if we can make a cute thumbnail. She cute. Oh. Yeah, these shoes eat. These shoes right here, they eat. You see them? The thing is, I'm so mad I did not take these pictures in the winter. Because look at this shoe. Like, look at this shoe. Yeah. And I think these are in a size 9. But she is cute. Do you feel what I'm saying? It's giving what it's supposed to. It's giving what it's supposed to give. These right here, not too much on your girl. Not too much on your girl. You feel me? Yeah. Okay, the next thing I got from this set, this package, is earrings. I got these earrings again because I broke the other pair. Can you see them? And I needed a new pair. So I got a new set of earrings. And these are like the drop dupes. I needed them, okay? I also got a pair of sunglasses. Yeah, she's cute. She's certified. She's certified. Oh yeah, she's certified. Talk to her nice. This girl is certified. Oh, can you feel my vibes that I'm on? Can you feel the vibes that I'm on? Cause girl, what is you talking about? What is you talking about? Can you feel the vibes that I'm on? Are you with it or are you not? Do I have to leave you behind if you're not with the vibes? You let me know. You feel me? Yeah, she's cute. I rock with these glasses heavy. I made a good choice. Yeah, 100% UV protection. I'm gonna need that because you already know how my eyes be. You feel me? Yeah, next. Oh, the next thing I got was some jewelry pieces. I'm trying to increase my collection. And so this is a bangle. This is a cute little bangle. You know me, I like me a little bangle. This is a cute little bangle. You see her? And I just snap it open, I think. I just snap it open. And she's on. Yeah, she's cute. She's cute. I actually wanted this for my birthday, but I never got it in time. I was supposed to wear it with my dress, my red dress that y'all saw on the Instagram. I was supposed to wear this with that, but I never got it in time, so it is what it is. That picture was still pressure though. That picture was still pressure. Yeah. Yeah, this is cute. This is a cute piece. Y'all know me with my dainty jewelry. Y'all know how I be feeling. Y'all know the vibes I be on. She's cute. Certified. She's certified. Assistant certified. I also got some socks because I need some socks for work. Yeah, I just need some socks for work. This is not my only job, okay? I work a full-time job like the rest of the people on this internet, okay? Some people be pretending like they don't work a regular job. Baby, this is my side hustle. YouTube is my side hustle, okay? Not only do I be doing YouTube, I preach and I work a regular job, okay? And this is where I need my socks for, okay? Because I be working, okay? These socks are really cute. They look comfortable. Comfortable, nice and cozy. I like me a little cozy sock. You feel me? I go to work tomorrow. I'm dreading it. I'm dreading it. Oh, I got a ring. Oh, this is cute. I was supposed to also wear this for my birthday. But I never got it in time. Can you see that? Don't look at my nails. I gotta get my nails done, okay? But I was supposed to also wear that for my birthday. Ooh, is my hands ashy? I was supposed to wear this for my birthday, but never got a chance to because it did not come on time. So they also sent me some happy holiday gift cards. It's the most wonderful time of the year, and so are you. Wonderful as that. Whether you're keeping cozy or serving up sparkle, make the absolute most of the festive season. You deserve it. Lots of love, pretty little thing. I love y'all so much. I love y'all. I love y'all. That's my gang. That's my gang, you know. Hold on, somebody's calling me. Hello? This is she. Hi, I'm good. How are you? Y'all, I just got amazing news right now. I can freaking cry. But we're just gonna finish this video and we're gonna make that a totally different video, okay? I'm taking y'all with me on this journey. I'm taking y'all with me, okay? I got so much tea. I gotta tell y'all. So much tea, okay? Yeah. Anyways, next package. So this is actually a beanie. This is a beanie, and since it's cold outside, I really need a beanie. And this beanie is super, super cute. Yeah. Yeah, she eats down. You feel me? She eats down. We got another pair. Oh, these zapatos eat. These zapatos eat, y'all. These zapatos. Hold on, let me take this film off of them. I'm gonna get an ASMR. Oh. Yeah, these zapatos eat, y'all. These zapatos eat down. You see those? Oh, I can't wait to get a picture. I can't wait to get a picture because these babies eat down. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. These babies eat. These babies eat. Yeah. Oh yeah, my picture's about to eat. My picture in these shoes are fun to eat. Because what I got styled for this picture is fun to eat. Do you feel me? Do you feel what I'm saying? Yeah. Yeah. The next pair is zapatos. Sneakers. Some sneakers, y'all. We got us some sneakers. These sneakers look like some legit sneakers. They look like some designer sneakers, but they're not. We on a budget. You feel me? We on a budget. Yeah, you can still look cute and be on a budget, baby. I don't know who told you that you cannot be looking cute and on a budget. Baby, over here, we gonna look cute and on a what? A budget. So these are cute. I'm feeling them. Are y'all feeling them? I'm feeling them. Yeah, I'm feeling them. If y'all don't like them, that's fine. But your sis over here, she feeling them. You feel me? So you got We got another pair of zapatos. Yeah, when I tell y'all I don't play about my zapatos, the zapatos collection is collected, okay? I needed another black heel, like a nice, another, oh yeah, this eats. I needed another one because I have another heel like this, but the bottom is messed up. Like, it's messed up so bad. So these ones, these are gonna eat. And I got this part. She's cute. Let's just say that, baby. She cute. She cute. She cute. See, a lot of this stuff came late, but it's still cold outside, so we can make it work. You know, who's gonna stop us? Who's gonna stop us from looking cute? Nobody. Like what? So we got a mustard looking color trench coat. It was all the way down to the floor. No, it actually goes down maybe to past my knees, but she is cute. This is our last package. In this package, the first thing we got is, oh, we got another bangle. Is this the same thing? Oh, they're different. They're different. But it's different from the one we just saw. You see them? They're different from what we just saw. So we got two bangles. And we're cute. You know what I'm saying? We cute on a budget. Who's gonna tell us otherwise? We are cute on a budget. Who gonna clock us? Nobody. Anyways, another pair of sunglasses. We got another pair of sunnies, and these ones, let's see. Oh yeah, she cute. She cute. Who gonna clock her? Who gonna clock her? She is cute. Who is going to clock her? Cause she really that girl. Yeah, period. And these are like in the tortoise. Everything that I'm showing you guys, I'm gonna try to link it down below. I need to link it for y'all because I love y'all so much and I want y'all to get the same thing. Okay, next, what we got? Oh, we got a bag. I forgot I ordered this. We got a purse, girl. Oh my gosh, this is the first purse I've ever gotten on this thing. Isn't she cute? Isn't she cute? Yeah, she's really cute. She is really freaking cute. Like, besides, see, that's literally the only purse that I wear. Literally the only purse that I wear, that one. But now I have another purse. I mean, I have other purses too, but my everyday bag is that one. Now I finally have another everyday bag. Okay, we have, oh, we have a long dress. Oh yeah, this is cute. We have a long dress with a nice ruching. We don't have to iron it though, and I think this goes down to my feet. I think it does, so I'm excited about that. I feel like I'm missing something. Am I missing something? Hold on. I think I'm missing something. Let me check. Because I had a different purse. I had a different purse and I don't know. Let me check. Cause what? See, yeah, the underwears is not a 5-pack. And this purse is not the purse that I thought. The purse is supposed to be different. I'm not tripping though. It is what it is. It doesn't matter, to be honest. Yeah, the purse is not the purse which I thought it was. But that's okay. That is okay. I am grateful. I think it was just a, you know, a small mix-up, but that's okay. Yeah, I think I have everything else. You know, mix-ups happen sometimes, and that's okay. Next, I got some pants. I got some jeans. I got some jeans. And I needed me some jeans because I just needed me some jeans. And they're a flare jean. I needed those. And then I also also got a biker jacket, like a, you know, a cute little biker jacket. I think I got it in too big of a size, to be honest, but we'll see. I'm excited though because it's super cute. You know, you see how like the texture, how it looks. It's a cute little texture. In the back there's like a star on it, a cute little star in the back, but it's like cut off on the bottom too, so that's cute. That's very, very cute, you know, very cute. I got some red leather pants because I want to do, I think I have a top for this too, but I wanted to do like a leather pants look because I don't have a pair of red pants. So I have a pair of blue pants, I have a pair of black pants, all kind of colors, but the only pair of pants I don't have is red. So I'm excited to see what I'm going to do with these. The fabric isn't the best, but it's not something you wear all the time, so it's fine, you know. It's just a once in a while kind of outfit. And then I got this dress again. I had this dress, but I gave it away. I gave it away because it didn't fit me. But now I have it in my perfect size, because the first time I ordered it, they didn't have it in my size, but now they do. And I can't wait to take a picture with this. It goes all the way to the floor, and it's super, super cute. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.